Is your Xbox controller blinking continuously but refusing to connect to your PC? Whether you're using Bluetooth, a wireless adapter, or a USB cable, this issue can be frustrating and prevent you from gaming altogether. So in today's video, we will show you proven solutions to fix an Xbox controller that keeps flashing and won't connect to your Windows PC. So the first thing that you need to do is try a simple restart. Turn off your Xbox controller by holding the Xbox button for about 10 seconds until the light turns off. Then restart your computer completely. Once your PC boots back up, turn on the controller and attempt to reconnect it. Many temporary connection glitches can be resolved with a quick restart. Now, try to repair the controller. If you're connecting through Bluetooth, the pairing may have become corrupted. So I want you to open the Windows settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, locate your Xbox wireless controller in the list of paired devices, and click the three dots next to it and select Remove Device. After removing it, press and hold the pair button on top of the controller until the Xbox logo starts blinking rapidly. Back on your PC, select Add Device and choose Bluetooth and reconnect the controller, and I want you to wait for the pairing process to finish and test the connection. After that, you need to replace or recharge the batteries. Remember, weak batteries can cause pairing and connectivity problems. If you're using triple A batteries or double A batteries, replace them with fresh ones. If you're using a rechargeable battery pack, connect it to a charger and ensure it has sufficient power. After recharging or charging the batteries, try reconnecting again. Then do not forget to use a cable. To determine whether the issue is wireless related, connect the controller directly to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure you are using a data-capable USB cable and not just a charging cable. Once connected, Windows should automatically detect the controller. Now, if it works through USB but not wirelessly, the issue is likely related to Bluetooth or wireless adapter settings. And then remember to update the Xbox controller firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connection issues, so I want you to install and open the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store. So connect your controller using a USB cable. Launch the app and select your controller. Now, if a firmware update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After updating, disconnect and reconnect the controller. And remember to update your Bluetooth devices after that. And then last is try a different USB port or Bluetooth adapter. If none of the previous methods work, try connecting to another USB port. For desktop PCs, use a rear motherboard USB port whenever possible. If your computer's Bluetooth adapter is old or unreliable, consider testing with a USB Bluetooth dongle or the official Xbox wireless adapter. So basically, those are the best ways to fix an Xbox controller that keeps blinking but won't connect to your PCs. In most cases, repairing the controller, updating its firmware, or installing Bluetooth driver resolves all of these problems very quickly. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.